Hi, I'm Jessica and I'm an artist, and today we're going to draw swirls. We can have a lot of fun with this one. Basically, you're just going to take your line and bend it into a swirl. It's that simple. Just take a line, make it go, put an arch to it, and bend it around in a circle. You can make it go into as many swirls as you want. You can keep a loose swirl if you like, or you can do a very tight swirl where you bring it in very close. And people use these to depict the ocean, and they use these to depict the wind blowing, and they also use them in various lettering. Say you want to make a really fancy S. And they also use them to do things like the paisley or a yin and yang type symbol. And there are so many fun ways to use the swirl. You can make it go in either direction. You can make them come down, or you can make them go up. And that is how you draw a swirl.